After pipe are cast, a crane or conveyor transports them to the annealing oven. Inside this oven is where the pipe's final chemistry is set, and their transformation into ductile iron is complete. The pipe travels slowly through different temperature zones inside the oven, each with a specific purpose. The entrance is typically set at or near 1,800 degrees. Primary zones in the middle of the oven maintain a temperature between 1,400 and 1,500 degrees. The cooling zone near the end of the oven, where the most important phoretic structures of the pipe are formed, is set near 1,350 degrees. The annealing oven is fueled by natural gas and lined with refractory-grade brick to maintain the heat within the oven and distribute it evenly. Pipe exit the oven as 60-42-10 ductile iron. Each pipe must have a minimum tensile strength of 62,000 pounds per square inch, a yield strength of at least 42,000 pounds per square inch, and an elongation factor of 10% to qualify for use in the marketplace.